Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a full-size upper rack assembly in your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the rack you're replacing out. Then lift the left side stop lever up while pushing the right side stop lever down to fully remove the rack. Detach the left side and right side slide rails. Prepare the new rack assembly for installation by releasing both side rails from the rack. Install the new left side slide rail by positioning the rear hook in the outside slot of the mounting bracket. Then insert the front support into the slot in the liner. Position the rear hook of the right side slide rail in the inside slot of the mounting bracket before inserting the front support into the liner. Now align the new rack with the side rails and slide the rack into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.